Myself, Ramalinathan from Divine Public School. Dear student of ninth class, I want to focus on democratic politics, chapter number 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? I want to focus on what is democracy. Democracy means government of formation depend upon the election and the political rights to the people, and the people they cast their vote, and the candidates they contest election. In the democracy the government is formed till the 5 years, and so all the group of societies they involve in the election and in the formation of government. And democracy gives the freedom to the people, and all the group of societies they reside any parts of the country, and they are free to oppose of the government. And democracy declares the fundamental rights, and people they feel free. Because I want to focus on the monarchical rule. In the monarchy system the people they have no right to cast their vote, and the candidates they cannot contest election, and the people of the nation cannot oppose of the government policy. And in the democracy the constitution is not formed, and no fundamental right is given to the people, and so democracy is the best government. In our country, when our country became democratic, the constitution formed and election held, and it was a fixed duration of the government. And democracy gives the freedom for celebrating the festivals and following the religions. All the religious community reside together, and it shows the development of the nation depend upon the cooperation of people. And second point, why democracy? Because in the democracy the people they are free to choose their leader, and the democratic government works on the three level of the government. Number first, central government, state government, and local government. And central government make laws for the people, and control all the three levels. And democracy works on the base of the organs of the government. There are three organs: legislation, executive, and judiciary. The legislatives they are elected by the people, and they make laws, and they form the government, and the executives they maintain law and order, and their service period is fixed till the 60 years. And the judiciary is autonomous body. Judiciary has three forms, works on the three stages. Number first, Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court. And Supreme Court is called the courts of the court, and decision of the Supreme Court is followed by all people. And on the judiciary, central government or state government cannot control and cannot challenge of the decision of High Court or Supreme Court. And so the people they have rights, and the constitution, the judiciary keep an eye upon the activity of government. And when government make laws, And when the people they oppose of any law, judiciary give the guidelines to the central government or state government for changing laws. And so in democracy, the people they are free to choose their leader, and it is the best government. And people they are free to reside any parts of the country and to celebrate their festival, to follow their religion. And in the democracy, sovereignty applies. In the condition of sovereignty, the people they reside equally, and they follow their religion. And there is no oppose of any religion and caste, and all the worship places for every religions are constructed. But the government cannot support of any religious communities and give the facility to all religious communities and all people. And so, in the eye of law, all people are equal. Thank you.